Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, February 19th. I woke up to about 2 inches of snow this morning. So far the internet's up, but here in Tennessee, we're not used to much snow and schools are shut down. Everything is pretty much shut down. Uh, the kids are having a holiday, but not us. The market is open, and so we'll try to do everything we do normally. At 8:30 this morning, we had building permits, which were slightly better than expected. Housing starts were slightly less than expected, and that doesn't surprise me because seasonally, weather really does impact housing starts, and obviously, we're in the wintertime. 2 p.m. we have FOMC meeting minutes. That's a red item, so be aware. There may be additional information in those minutes that hasn't been public yet. So there you have it. At 5 o'clock, we have FOMC member Jefferson speaking, and that is it for the U.S. today. So not a lot of news, but the big one at 2 p.m., so be aware. Looking at the charts, so yesterday we came right up and touched that high from a couple of weeks ago. However, unable to break through, and we're gapping down very, very slightly. We're above the moving averages, so that's bullish. We're above this little wedge, also bullish, but unable to break through that high. It's not necessarily bullish, but I expect to go sideways and then eventually break on up and take out the all-time high. So that is certainly within range. I would say that 6,200 to 6,100 is kind of the ranges that we're going to see. If we break 6,100, it might get a little ugly, but right at the moment, I would say 6,100, 6,200 is our general operating range. Volume was pathetic yesterday, is what it is. Remember that this volume includes or should include all of the previous day's volume as well. So, for instance, when we're looking at inventory, you can see that this is the holiday and then there's yesterday. That's all considered one trading day from a settlement date. Positive price action, positive inventory, correlated, nothing to write home about there. Everything looks good. Looking at the overnight action, actually is only about 25 points, so that's about average. As the average continues to kind of creep up as we go forward in time. What do we got going on? So for resistance, we've got 61, 61, 61.72, 61.81. Once we get up there, then we're into nosebleed. Don't know what's going to happen, but 61.96, 6,200. And that's all uncharted territory, so really don't know. Resistance on there, I should say support on the other hand, 61.20, 6,100 I would say, 61.90, 60.90, and 60.71-ish. If we could get down, I think we'll have some significant support at 60.50, but we'll have to wait and see. Stock Trader's Almanac is 52.4, so only a 2.4% average, or I should say advantage to the upside. That's the story for today, Wednesday. Hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.